All right, we are here in Minnesota Elevator, and look at this. We've got this custom door here.
This is a Minnesota Elevator.
Watch this.
I'm gonna go inside.
And we're gonna watch it.
Watch this. Press the door close button. Hit that button for privacy.
Privacy, watch this.
See? It tints the glass. Let me do it.
You want to hear? Let me stand back before you do
Look
it.
at this. Privacy. So yeah, this is pretty awesome now. It's GAL stuff. Go ahead and open the door. Now
It's
close it.
quiet.
Epic.
And over here, look at this.
All right, we're gonna leave Jason in here. Another cool thing, watch this. Close the door.
Got a,
Got a safety edge.
and then over here we have an elevator simulator. Watch this.
Here's Jason playing the elevation. So yeah, thank you, Steve and Minnesota Elevator for all this. This is cool.
The elevator's coming down.
I need something like this.
Mm-hmm.
I need something that
Here,
talks though.
here it is, L.
Send it to 2.
We're gonna close the door, and we're gonna go to 2.
I need something like this that talks.
Close the door. The door takes a while to close. There it goes. Here it is at 2.
Pretty cool.
Awesome.
That'll be it.
All right, that'll be it.